Hi there everyone, thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. I've been looking at purchasing a folding knife, been looking at various different kinds and makes and that sort of thing and price ranges, and I came across the Vortinox Ranger Grip 79, and I've had my old Swiss Army knife now for 20 years. My mum bought me it for my 30th birthday, so I know the reliability that Vortinox and the quality that's in their knives, so I thought I'll go ahead and purchase it and see what it's like. So I'm quite excited to open this up and have a look, see what the knife's like. So let's get in there and get the knife opened. Right, here we go. That's a knife itself, and apparently you've got the bit there for ease for opening with your thumb, and that blade locks. I wanted something that's quite reliable to keep in my pocket and have with me when I go on camps and that sort of thing, and I thought this might be pretty decent for things like your feather sticks and things like that. And if we take a look at the logo there, the Victorinox logo, that presses in and that allows us to close the blade. It also has a saw, which I thought would be pretty handy, because if I'm out walking or whatever, I could saw up a little bit of branch and do a little bit of carving, a little tri-stick or something like that. With that and that, it should be quite useful. That doesn't lock, but apparently that's really good for getting sparks with a ferrocerium rod. And then I think, as pretty much what most other Swiss Army knives have, this one comes with a corkscrew. What else does it have? You've got your can opener and your small screwdriver. You've got a larger screwdriver, a bottle opener, and your wire stripper. As I just showed, we've got the saw, we've got the blade on the knife. There's this little bit on the back for drilling out holes. Is it an auger? And for sewing. And then we've got the toothpick inside there, and we've got the tweezers. What I'm going to do now is, I think I'll have a little try of carving a feather stick, and we'll see how the knife functions doing that. Just keep your fingers out the way. Overall, it feels like really good quality. Nice grip with the on those darker bits there. So let's have a little look, see what it's like with carving feather sticks, and see how sharp it is. Well, let's have a look, see how practical the saw is. Let's cut through that effortlessly. It is really seasoned bit of wood, but and only thin, but that's just sailing through that. We'll try that on a thicker bit. There we go, that's a Victorinox Ranger Grip 79, and my initial thoughts of this knife is fantastic. I really am impressed with it. I think it's going to be an absolute fantastic addition to the rest of my kit, and I'm really looking forward to taking it out with me in the field when I go camping and what have you. I think it's going to be really practical and really useful. As you've seen there, it carved feather sticks effortlessly. My skills at carving feather sticks aren't the best. I could do with a little bit of practice, but that seemed to deal with that really well. The saw seemed to go through the pieces of wood that I had effortlessly, thicker and thinner bits. I'm really impressed with that, and to produce sparks on the ferrocerium rod and got a fire going with the feather sticks. So overall, I think it's absolutely fantastic. I purchased this from Henny Haynes, and their service was absolutely fantastic. I purchased it on the Wednesday, was it Wednesday, Tuesday last week, and it was sent out to me the next day. So can't fault them for that. Yeah, overall, great bit of kit, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. I'm going to end the video now, and I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing and checking out our other content. And as always, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.